नॉट परमिसिबल, नॉट परमिसिबल। नहीं है, 240 डेज में कहीं नहीं है। कॉन्ट्रैक्टर है ना, कॉन्ट्रैक्टर एम्प्लॉय, तो भी क्या है, ग्रेचुटी देनी पड़ेगी आपको। कॉन्ट्रैक्टर देगा और आपको वेजेस, सी पेमेंट ऑफ वेजेस एक्ट में ग्रेचुटी आपको देनी है, तो वेजेस आपको देनी है। सेक्शन 21 में वेजेस इज टू बी पेड बाय द प्रिंसिपल एम्प्लॉयर। इफ कॉन्ट्रैक्टर डजंट पे, देन द प्रिंसिपल एम्प्लॉयर हैज टू पे। कॉन्ट्रैक्टर देगा नहीं ग्रेचुटी, तो आपको देनी पड़ेगी। नहीं नहीं नहीं, क्या सर? 15 नहीं, 1 ईयर है ना, 15/20, 15/296, 15/26, 15 days per year, 15 days per 15 divided by 26 into number of years of service. Yes, anything you?
If any contractor have 20 workers, but he employed 10 in one company and 10 another.
Then get registration to 20 हो गए ना। Any contractor who is engaged more than 20 labor in any day in the preceding 12 months will be
in 2 different companies.
चले, उससे डिक्लेरेशन लेनी पड़ेगी आप कि आई एम नॉट एंगेजिंग एनीवेयर, बिकॉज कल को प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है ना, ही डजंट हैव अ लाइसेंस। वैसे नॉर्मली ऐसे छोटे मोटे कॉन्ट्रैक्टर को ठीक है, दिक्कत होती है, लेकिन करना पड़ता है कई बार रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से।
कोई कॉन्ट्रैक्टर जो अनस्किल्ड लेबर प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, तो उसके पास क्या लाइसेंस मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट रहना जरूरी है?
लाइसेंस रहना जरूरी है भाई।
जो इम्पोर्टेंट लाइसेंस है,
एक तो लाइसेंस है, वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन एक्ट की पॉलिसी है, ESIC का है रजिस्ट्रेशन, PF का रजिस्ट्रेशन होना चाहिए। आजकल ले लीजिए सब, छोड़िए मत, ये सब आज ऑनलाइन हो गया है, छोड़ता कोई नहीं है, नंबर मिल गया सबको, अवेयरनेस हो गई है, तो डू इट। यस प्लीज, एनीथिंग एल्स? वी ऑलवेज इंसिस्ट इंडिपेंडेंट PF कोड लीजिए। नॉट।
Last question.
लास्ट क्वेश्चन प्लीज।
I'm very confused, between the job contract and the work contract.
सेम, इट्स द सेम, वर्क एंड जॉब।
Job contract, people say कि आप जब contract करते हैं, when you engage a contractor, you can give him a job contract, or you can give him a work contract. So what is the difference?
I see no work contract में job work on both are lump sum contract।
In job contract means कि ये particular job है।
वर्क कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में क्या होगा?
नहीं, job मतलब he is employing people on behalf of the principal employer. ये job करने के लिए आपको, दूसरा ये कि इस काम करने के लिए आपको ये असाइनमेंट दिया है।
नहीं, इफ ही इज अंडरटेकिंग टू प्रोड्यूस अ गिवन रिजल्ट दे रहा है कॉन्ट्रैक्टर, तब तो वो उसको कॉन्ट्रैक्टर कहलाएगा। लेकिन जॉब कॉन्ट्रैक्ट और वर्क कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इज लमसम पेमेंट अमाउंट, इट इज लमसम। मैं जो इंसिस्ट कर रहा हूँ कि गिव लमसम पेमेंट्स, लमसम कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करिए कि इतने पैसे मिलेंगे, 5 लाख रुपए फॉर स्वीपिंग एंड डस्टिंग, एंड देन अलग से चिट्ठी लिखवा लीजिए, इतने आदमी में एंगेज करूँ, इतनी वेजेस में,
आदमी का जितना वेज बनेगा
उतना आप वो अपना एक कागज में लिखवा के रख लीजिए, वैल्यू बन गई, और उसका लेटर अलग से रख लीजिए कितना लगूंगा, क्योंकि कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में मैंने तो जॉब्स तो सेम एंड सिमिलर नेचर ऑफ वर्क में थोड़ा आपको सेफ्टी हो सकती। हाँ, बिकॉज वर्क कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में या इन योर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट डोंट मेंशन द नंबर कैटेगरी, वो अलग से लिखवा लीजिए। वो करने दो। क्वेश्चन इज वी हैव टू सेव आवरसेल्फ सम सेम एंड सिमिलर नेचर ऑफ वर्क। तो जब लेबर कमी में इसने 5 आदमी क्या लगाया, मुझे क्या मालूम, ये तो मेरे से 10 आदमी लगा रहा है, 15, मुझे नहीं मालूम कौन सा आदमी क्या काम कर रहा है। ही कैनॉट मेक, मतलब थोड़ा प्रैक्टिकली पॉसिबल हो जाता है कि भाई ही कैनॉट मेक अ कंपैरिजन। आपके एक आदमी फिटर का काम कर रहा है, मेरे फिटर इलेक्ट्रीशियन सब मिला के एक काम कर लेता है एक आदमी। आई हैव डन इट लाइक, थोड़ा सेफ्टी हो जाता है उसमें।
जैसा अभी क्या है, सारे जगह में पीपल टॉक इन टर्म्स ऑफ आउटसोर्सिंग।
यस यस,
they say because you outsource because you get professional services and better services.
yeah.
So the very concept of contract labor, that means आपकी पूरी बातों से ऐसा लग रहा है कि it is other than a psychological satisfaction of the principal employer, ये contractors के employees है, for all practical purposes the principal employer is.
See, if you engage them maybe in gardening, cleaning, painting, cycle stand is different, but if for the main operation, machine operation.
Sir, when you talk of outsourcing, see,
आउटसोर्सिंग में यू कैन स्पेयर, आउटसोर्सिंग में यदि आपसे, आई विल गिव यू वन केस, एक केस में होता था कि दैट कंपनी had erected a machine and given that machine on contract to a particular person to operate, and that he was supplying the raw material. He could finish goods, he could sell it to him, he could sell it to anyone else. But there was no control and supervision of the factory owner on that particular machine owner. तो वो employees उसके नहीं माने जाएंगे, because supervision नहीं कर रहा.
And looking at the volume of questions we have, the 40-year-old act almost is even today very young.
Very confusing.
And very confusing total number of cases. And again I will repeat, जो मैंने शुरुआत में कहा कि जो मोदी जी ने कहा है कि ease of doing business in India, वो यदि करना है और make in India करना है, तो major I think there will be all of us can come together and write down on behalf of VIA कि these are the amendments which we want. We should be there. यदि हमको SEZ में काम करना है, फैक्ट्री में करना है, इंडस्ट्री में करना है तो right now I was sitting with the president inside with अतुल पांडे जी और उन्होंने मुझे ये अनाउंस करने के लिए कहा है आपके सामने कि in case you think that we can have a half day program या full day program so that we can have a expert faculty like Jain Saab and an expert lawyer as well. We can have one or two more people and we can have a full day program in VIA. Because looking at the response we have got today, that is what President wanted me to announce on behalf of the President. So do you think that we can have a half day program?
See, अभी इसमें क्या हुआ देखो PF ESI कैंटीन तो हमने टच ही नहीं किए.
It will be a full day workshop.
Full day.
We will charge very nominal because but it will be a full day workshop.
Full day workshop.
This was only a motivational talk.
प्रदीप can assist me. प्रदीप और हम मिलकर कर सकते हैं.
We can take.
हम लोग बोलेंगे as a manager. Lawyers will speak as lawyers.
Yeah.
आप और हम managers हैं. From managers perspective, me and Pradeep, because प्रदीप मेरे संग कर सकता है. करा भी है. बहुत से cases हमने discuss भी करते रहते हैं मैं प्रदीप. Because 6 घंटे मेरे लिए बोलना मुश्किल है.
So आने वाले 2 महीनों में यदि हम करते हैं प्रोग्राम तो you would like to join that program?
January will do.
Thanks a lot.
I must say announce one thing. Yes, it has been my endeavor. थोड़ा दिक्कत है because cases law समझना थोड़ा आसान नहीं होता immediately. पर थोड़ा एक बार दोबारा करेंगे तो शायद थोड़ा once the cases come to you again, you will appreciate it better.
I have 2 announcements to make. One is on 28th VI में एक बहुत बढ़िया प्रोग्राम हो रहा है Startups Mentoring Series Town Hall Session. This is by Mr. Nitin Deveshwar and this is there in VI Hall itself on 28th. And tomorrow on 27th, we have one more program that is opportunities and challenges of CSR in Vidarbha. This is followed by a panel discussion on the role of CSR in socio-economic development of Vidarbha region. All these programs are for you. Whosoever is interested, please join tomorrow as well as day after. With this, I once again thank today's faculty and request Mr. Asit Sinha to please come forward and sum up the session and also propose a formal vote of thanks.
Just 1 minute. In the case of Mathadi Act, आप लोगों को क्या लगता है कि Mathadi Act? If you have any problems, first discuss with Raut, Pradeep Raut of KEC. We can get that thing settled. Pradeep Raut से बात कर लीजिए. We think of it.
Arvind Jain ji, thanks a lot. Thanks for whatever you have talked of. When I came here, I was confused, but now I feel I am further confused.
I knew it.
But thanks to initiative of our president and of course Girish also saying this, that there is perhaps a need to think in terms of how this is one of the major roadblocks in doing the ease of business. We all know that the liberalization of economy has taken place in 91, and then every succeeding government which came to power, including the latest government, they all talk about the ease of business, but the greatest roadblock to the doing ease of business is the labor laws, because number one, it comes under the central government also, it comes under the state government also. VIA as an industries association tries to do advocacy with all the respective governments to bring about the to make business a little easier. So perhaps this workshop which Girish has talked on the initiative of our president, I would like to add a little more, that there is a need to do little brainstorming between all of us to decide as to how well we can suggest to both the state and the central government to bring about what changes in the basic labor laws, which includes the Mathadis Act, which includes the contract labor and of course ESIPF and all that. Because all along there has been talking of liberalization, but liberalization of the labor laws has not taken place till date. And therefore I think that workshop which we are planning now will be useful, in which your input in terms of what practical difficulties you face, if you can contribute that, perhaps VIA will do a better job. Friends, perhaps other than a psychological satisfaction that a principal employer has, that they are not his employees, they are the contractor's employee. For all practical purposes, whatever I could gather in today's interaction is perhaps the principal employer is not exempted. So principal employer, except carrying this psychological satisfaction that they are not their employees, has practically legally and morally binded by the whole thing. But anyway, this was a very good beginning, and thanks to Jain Saab again once for giving us and enlightening us, and we look forward to your active participation. And I'll again reiterate what Girish has announced about the CSR program, which is there tomorrow at 3 o'clock. There will be 7 to 8 panel speakers who will be coming and will be talking about the importance of CSR, because again, that is also, there are so many laws in our country that we do not know whether we live in jungle of laws or laws of jungle. But anyway, so kindly come and participate tomorrow at 3 o'clock, and day after tomorrow, that is on 28th, it will be on a mentoring session on startup, and CII chairman of Vidarbha will be one of the faculty. So please join there, and thanks to all of you for such active participation.
Just one more announcement. Next time when we do the case, some of the cases come just लिख करके आपको दे देंगे so that you remember it better.
Yeah, because that will be on a little chargeable basis. This was just a
उस पे प्रदीप और हमको बैठ के थोड़ा काम करना पड़ेगा. We'll give you the facts, judgment आप लिख लेना. That will be easy.
I'll request Pradeep to give a small token memento from our side to Arvind. Right, friends, thank you so much. Join us for a cup of tea here.